What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at SanDisk, the SanDisk stock. So I think this is the first time I'm making a video on this new YouTube channel, which is Hardcore Stocks on SanDisk's Corporation. So looking at things right here, we could see that SanDisk from the weekly time frame, most especially, has been, it has been rallying. Yeah, it has been rallying. No stopping it from here. You could see it's definitely been rallying all through the year. So, nothing too serious to take a look at right here, other than the fact that we are mostly, if I should move this to the daily time frame right here, you could see that we are mostly rallying into our next major resistance. The fact that we kind of broke above this resistance right here at $890, we found support consolidated within 890 to 953. We broke out, kind of found support around here. Now we are running into this resistance right here, and with the look of things right here, since it closed $1,095 yesterday, but it's currently at the pre-market right now is at $1,052. So, it's a little bit of decline for now, but I think there's every possibility for us to still rally all the way to $1,154 or $55. We might end up probably dropping a little bit down here, but breaking out is definitely very, very certain because, SanDisk is definitely, it got every reason to do that. And looking at the news right here, we could see SanDisk's stock falls despite strong earnings report as investors sell the news after powerful rally, because it has definitely rallied massively over the months and over the year too. It has definitely been up. So looking at it, okay, what happened to SanDisk stock for falling more than 6% pre-market on Friday, which is today? So what's behind the move? Investors appear to sell the news after the memory chip maker posted strong beats on the top and bottom line in its fiscal third quarter, and also revenue of $5.9 billion increased from $4.7 billion, and the company's adjusted earning of 23.41 shares sailed past Wall Street expectations of, which is $14.51, which is definitely massive. So you could see it clearly right here that SanDisk sees fourth quarter revenue in the range of $7.75 billion to $8.25 billion, above the consensus estimate of $6.65 billion. What else you need to know is that SanDisk stock has surged this year as memory has become a key bottleneck in computing. Bullish sentiment from Wall Street has driven the stock to new highs. The stock is up almost 300% year to date and hit a record high on Thursday prior to its quarterly results. While a majority of Wall Street analysts have a buy rating on the stock, Morningstar Research Services equity analyst William Kerwin has the equivalent of a hold. When we take a longer term view here, we think that this pricing upcycle is finite. Calvin told Yahoo Finance on Wednesday that we think it's going to go on for the next couple of years here, but once it peaks, we think investors may get caught holding the bag with a precipitous down cycle thereafter when pricing comes back down to earth. So I think at the end of the day, if I'm to be asked, like, okay, what do I think about SanDisk right now? Is it too high? Yes, it is definitely at a crazy all-time highs. If I should move this to monthly candle right here, you could see this has been up roughly crazily how many percent, guys? It's been up crazily over 600%. This is definitely crazy. And with the look of things, cloud is definitely taking over. Memory is definitely what people need. As time goes on, memory is definitely what people need. People now work on their system more in terms of the AI doing a majority of the work. So in terms of clouding and computing and all what's not, I think SanDisk will definitely play a huge role in the computing space. So I don't see SanDisk going anywhere. Worst case scenario, probably long term for SanDisk, we could probably see SanDisk probably dropped all the way from $1,500 all the way down to $700 range, and it will definitely pick up from there. So I think this is definitely what we need to know for now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Happy new month to each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.